Hello and welcome to drawerboxes.co.uk. For this section you will require a tape measure, pencil, cordless screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, set square and a box or packer to support the drawer base. When you order the Blum Internal Tandembox Deep, you should receive the following: one pair of drawer sides, one pair of side gallery rails, one pair of drawer runners, one internal drawer front with brackets fitted, one packer for the hinge side runner, one drawer base, one drawer back, and all screws. We are now ready to assemble the drawer box. First, place the drawer base on top of the cardboard box or support. Next, prepare your drawer side for fitting. Hold the first drawer side in position, with the end of the drawer side lining up with the front edge of the base as shown here. Holding tight in this position, you can put in the screws. Then do the same for the other side. Now turn the box over and slide the back panel into place. Then fit the screws to attach the back panel. Fit the gallery rails by lining the end up with the back bracket and clipping them down into place. The final step is to fit the pre-assembled internal drawer front. Clip the fixings into the drawer sides first. Then screw the orange threaded barrels tight before finally sliding the cover sections over to finish off. With the assembly complete, you're now ready for the next stage, which is to mark out and fit the runners.